Everyone, maayong buntag. Ako di ay si Luisa Indiano. Usa ako ka proud digital business owner and a mentor. Ako gapuyo sa Sydney, Australia. Na ako ipakita niyo na usa ka testimonial. Originally, she is from India. Her name is Amandeep. Pero karon nagapuyo na siya sa Toronto, Canada. She is a mom and she's a wife and na siya background as a business administrator. But somehow she did this business kay gusto niya na naa siya income while looking after her son. But guys, for you to find out, if you want to learn more, please take a look and read her testimonial. Thank you.